Hi there, this is Saul here at Saul's Automotive, and today we're standing underneath the 2006 Toyota 4Runner. Now, this is one of the most reliable and sought-after vehicles in North America. It actually currently has a value that is slowly appraising with time as the third and fourth generation 4Runners are becoming more and more in demand due to their reliability characteristics. There are some issues that we see with these, but for the most part, they stay on the road for 300,000 miles plus in service. However, right around the 150, 200,000 mile mark, some owners complain about feeling a wiggle or a vibration during braking that eventually develops to happen at higher speeds even without braking. In the case of the 4Runner that you see behind me, a factory defect of the rack and pinion mounting bushings, where the rack and pinion sits across the center of the vehicle and physically is mounted up into it, has created an issue where the rack sits into the vehicle. It can physically slide side to side against its mounts, as if you were in a roller coaster and the shoulder harness was holding you down, but instead of the roller coaster going forward, back, up, and down, it was going side to side. You'd still be able to move in that little bit of range. As a result, oftentimes these bushings break down, get soft, and translate to a pull, a shimmy, or a vibration in the front end of the vehicle. In the case of this one, the vehicle had already seen severely overheated brakes that caused a warped brake rotor that was already creating a vibration in the front, and had a vibration from the steering rack and pinion at the same time. Here at Saul's Automotive, we replace the factory bushings with a harder durometer rubber. We guarantee them for life so that we know you're never going to come back with the same issue, and we provide the repair in a 2-day turnaround time frame. If you've got a Toyota 4Runner and you have a shimmy, a vibration, or a brake noise or feel that you are a suspect of, please feel free to give us a call. A lot of dealerships will turn these vehicles back out claiming that there's no defect or nothing wrong with it, simply because they don't want to face the music of a $2,000 repair on the dealership's dime. Here at Saul's Automotive, this repair costs about $1,200 to $1,300, about a 40% savings off the dealer, and we support it for the life of the ownership. Give us a call at 303-919-7769 if you're having an issue with your Toyota or you know someone who does. Thank you.